the significant advances in healthcare system is the use of stem cells in treating various disorders. Stem cells are unique cells which have the capability of regeneration and multiplying themselves. They can differentiate into any type of tissue and thus helps in curing various diseases by their ability to regenerate and reproduce. Stem cells are embryonic and adult type. Embryonic cells are obtained from the cord blood when the baby is being delivered. After the baby is separated from the mother, the cord blood is collected from the cord which would otherwise be wasted and thrown away. Of course, it is only collected after a prior consent from the mother and her husband is taken. This cord blood is collected, it is stored and processed by our famous bank CryoViva. I have had more than 25 years experience with CryoViva and they are unique in their performance. They take away the cord blood to their respective banks where the cord blood is processed, the stem cells are separated and stored under nitrogen. These stem cells can be stored for innumerable years. It is non-invasive way and very cost effective. The patient or the donor has not to be hospitalized extra for the collection of stem cells. On the other hand, the adult stem cells are obtained from bone marrow which can be taken at various sites like sternum, iliac crest and others. These are invasive procedures for which the donor has to be hospitalized and has to undergo a minor operative procedure, and it is only then these stem cells which are of adult variety can be used to treat the respective diseases. Embryonic cells or the embryonic stem cells are really a gift to mankind. They are 100% matching in the same child. They match up to 25% in the sibling, and in parents and grandparents they match up to the extent of 50%. Therefore, one should realize that these embryonic cells can be used not only to treat the disorders for the same baby who has donated or to the sibling and even to parents and grandparents. Stem cells are a great promise in the advancing medical science. Their use is approved in over 60 blood disorders, of which thalassemia major is a major disorder where in my experience also the cord blood donated by my patient has been used in the sibling who has suffered from thalassemia major, and it gives very promising results. Other disorders are the autoimmune disorders, are the blood cancers like leukemia, multiple myeloma, Hodgkin's disease, non-Hodgkin's lymphoma and myeloblastic disorders. Besides this, there are various upcoming diseases where the research is again giving us very promising results, like ischemic heart disease, where the heart tissue when becomes dead is able to regenerate with the help of stem cells. Similarly, in various brain disorders, Parkinsonism, spinal cord injuries, where the brain tissue is able to regenerate due to stem cell unique activity, and one can revive the patient and relieve him of the present illness, giving him a longer life. Now with advancing lifespan, as you all know that a lifespan which was once 50 years, today is 72 years in India, and the old age diseases are also becoming more common, and therefore these stem cells are a unique research which is giving us promising results. Thank you.